Hi there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a notepad using Python in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. The program uses the Tkinter module to create a graphical user interface, GUI, for the notepad. The text widget from the Tkinter module is used to create the text box where the user can input text. The menu widget is used to create the menu bar with options to save and open files. The Ask Save as File Name and Ask Open File Name functions from the Tkinter.file dialog module are used to prompt the user to save or open a file. When the user clicks the Save button, the save_file function is called. This function opens a dialog box to prompt the user to enter a file name and location, then writes the contents of the text box to the specified file. When the user clicks the Open button, the open_file function is called. This function opens a dialog box to prompt the user to select a file, then reads the contents of the file and inserts them into the text box. The main loop method is called on the root object to start the GUI and wait for user input. And there you have it, a simple notepad built using Python in just under 2 minutes. Now you can customize it to fit your needs and preferences. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.